When it comes to choosing between two products, making a decision can be tough. With countless options available in the market, it's essential to consider various factors before settling on one. In this article, we will delve into the ultimate showdown between product A and product B, highlighting 5 reasons why product A outshines its competitor. Superior quality. The foundation of excellence. Quality is paramount when it comes to any product, and this is where product A truly shines. Unlike its counterpart, which may compromise on quality to cut costs or meet deadlines, product A prides itself on superior craftsmanship and durability. Every detail has been meticulously designed with precision engineering and premium materials that ensure longevity. Product B may claim to offer similar features at a lower price point. However, these shortcuts often result in compromised quality that leads to frequent repairs or replacements. By investing in product A's exceptional quality upfront, consumers can save both time and money in the long run. Unparalleled performance. Going above and beyond. Performance is another crucial aspect that sets these two products apart, with clear advantages for those who choose product A. Whether you're looking for speed, efficiency, or reliability, this powerhouse continually surpasses expectations. Product B may promise comparable performance but fails to deliver consistently across all aspects. On the other hand, users of product A benefit from cutting-edge technology that ensures seamless operation even under demanding conditions. Innovative features. Staying ahead of the curve. Innovation plays a pivotal role in determining which product reigns supreme, an area where product A undoubtedly excels over its competition. With constant research and development efforts invested into enhancing user experience through innovative features, choosing this product means staying ahead of the curve. While both products may offer basic functionalities required by consumers today, only one stands out by providing unique features that cater to the evolving needs of its users. From advanced customization options to intuitive interfaces, product A offers a range of features that truly elevate the user experience. Unmatched customer support. Your partner in success. Customer support is often an overlooked aspect when comparing products, but it can make all the difference when problems arise. Product A understands this and goes above and beyond to ensure customer satisfaction through their exceptional support system. In contrast, product B may offer minimal assistance or lack timely responses, leaving customers feeling frustrated and abandoned. By choosing product A, consumers gain peace of mind knowing they have a reliable partner who will be there every step of the way, from installation to troubleshooting. Positive reputation. Trustworthy and reliable. The reputation of a product speaks volumes about its performance and reliability, factors that significantly impact consumer confidence in their purchase decision. In this regard, product A has earned an outstanding reputation built on trustworthiness and reliability over time. Product B may be relatively new or have negative reviews associated with it due to quality issues or poor customer experiences. Opting for product A ensures aligning with a brand known for delivering consistent excellence. In conclusion, when faced with the choice between product A and product B, there are several compelling reasons why you should choose the former without hesitation. Superior quality. Invest in long-term durability. Unparalleled performance. Experience top-notch efficiency. Innovative features. Stay ahead with cutting-edge technology. Unmatched customer support. Gain peace of mind throughout your journey. Positive reputation. Align yourself with trusted excellence. By considering these 5 key factors before making your decision, you can rest assured that you are choosing a product that leaves its competition far behind in terms of quality, performance, innovation, customer support, and reputation. Remember, when it comes down to it, not all products are created equal, so why settle for anything less than extraordinary? Choose product A and elevate your experience to new heights.